Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to closing the app, first thing we need to open up and see which apps are open. You're going to probably see these three lines here to kind of go ahead and open your apps that are open. So here I can see here all these apps are basically open. In order to close the app, I simply go ahead and swipe up, as you can see here, and I can swipe up to close them. Now you also have the option to close all by clicking this option. It will close out all the apps as well. And then you can also see your active apps right here that are running. You can always stop those as well as another option, hit done as well. So that's how you can go ahead and close the app. Now, if you can't get this way, there's also another way to do it by going into your setting, and then in your settings, go to apps. From apps here, right, you're gonna look for an app, and then from there on, you're gonna go ahead and force stop it. And then you're gonna hit OK, and that's gonna also basically stop it if you want to basically close a running app as well. So go ahead and try that, and I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.